welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be another all things home update. We're getting in our wine fridge today. We're gonna be installing hardware. We're getting new pieces in the mail, which I'm really excited about. Rob's gonna do his handyman thing and do some DIYs. So that'll be a huge update. But yeah, you guys, like always, if you wanna see how we switch, change, rearrange, how we update the space, see new home decor pieces that are coming in, then please just keep on watching.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time it was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me, I get nervous when you get close and my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down.
Okay guys, so this is everything that I got from Hobby Lobby. Like from here over is Hobby Lobby and this is Homegoods. I figured these pieces would look really nice in the cabinet, except for the black. Like I'm not gonna include that. I just really wanted that. So everything else is gonna go in the cabinets. I think it's really gonna make it pop. I'm gonna take out anything that is not white. I know I did this before, but I had to just hurry up and put, like, over on this side, I had to hurry up and just like put the stuff back in there because my kids kept messing with it and I didn't want anything to break. So I'm gonna take that out, finalize this. Hopefully we can finalize it. I might need like a couple more things, but you guys, these cabinets are driving me crazy. They're beautiful and I like the aesthetic of them, but styling them is not my favorite at all. Like this has definitely been a process. So let's do it.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave.
Okay guys, so this is how I have this first cabinet style. I really like this. I like that it's all tonal. I like that it's all like cream and white, and I think it looks really nice. You cannot tell me that this stuff looks like Hobby Lobby. Like honestly, that's the thing about getting like one or two like really nice pieces of furniture, or 3 or 4, whatever floats your boat, and putting inexpensive like decor pieces on them. It makes the whole thing look just elevated. So I really like this. This is what it looks like open. Let me show you the other one. So it's pretty much the same idea, just like very simple, very minimal. I could add more. I could play around in the future. I feel like this is just gonna be like my ongoing project, but let me back up and show you what they both look like opened. I think it's really cute. I think it's nice. Like it definitely is a struggle to decorate these things and like find things that look good together, like trying to find like circles, then something tall, then something taller, and flat and flatter, and then this, and then matching them up. Like it definitely is challenging, but how it turned out, I think this looks really nice. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with the cabinets closed. Okay, and this is what it looks like with the cabinets closed. Sorry, the lighting is so weird. You know how it is. But yeah, I really like it. Very simple, not too over the top, and I think it looks good. Let me back up so you can get the whole visual. I think it looks nice. I'm really happy with this, and I'm taking a break from this. If I find anything in the future, basically I'm not gonna be looking for more things for these cabinets. I'm done, at least for now. I mean, we'll see what the future holds, but for now, these are the cabinets. I'm done with it. I'm washing my hands of it. Never again. Okay, so I definitely, let me just hold it. I definitely recorded the wrong conversation. I called one place. I don't even think I updated you all. Okay, basically, I'm calling around because do you remember, I wanna say like 2 to 3 months ago where I purchased, how many was it? Maybe 3 different mantle mirrors from CB2 and they kept coming broken. Do you remember that? Well, I'm calling glass repair companies to come out, give me an estimate and install a new mirror. Basically, they would have to cut cut it and install the mirror. So someone is coming out hopefully soon. She said she would give me a call back to measure the mantle mirrors from CB2 and get replacement ones to install them. So I have 2 mantle mirrors. One that I have up on my mantle now that has a little bit of like 2 small little cracks, but like you can't see, so like I just kept the mirror. And plus they refunded me, so I was like, I'm keeping this. And then I have one in the garage that's completely shattered. We literally just have the frame. So what we're gonna do is put one of the mantle mirrors on the other side of the fireplace, and the one that we have now will obviously keep in that same spot, but it'll be a brand new mirror and it'll be fixed and perfect. So I'm really excited about that, to have my 2 mantle mirrors up. This was just the start of the process, so I thought I would just update you on that really quickly. So when you see like my other mantle mirror up, you're not like, wait, did you order another one? No, we're getting it replaced. Thank God I got my money back. And I asked her, I'm like, how much do you think it would be? She's like, probably less than $100, like around like $90 to $100. So that's a win, that's a score, because one mantle mirror is I think like $350. So I'm basically getting 2 mirrors for like a fraction of the cost, which I'm really excited about. So yay on that.
What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm in the bathroom. That's why it's all white. But right now I'm getting ready to put up this bad boy. You know what time it is. Time for another cabinet install. Let's do it. Okay. That was really hard. Whew. Okay, everybody make some noise for Rob the Builder. Woo! That was really bad. Okay, first things first, you guys gonna watch me build this thing. Literally the ground up.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much.
Hello.
Dada, I got lollipop.
Oh, good job, RG. It's for me?
Yes.
Thanks, RG.
Open it up to get the people off.
Thanks, RG. Cheers. Cheers.
Are you sure you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I tell you, mama. I tell you, papa, too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know. Oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah. Up on the mountain.
Alright y'all, so the cabinet is installed. I know it's not the traditional bathroom cabinet, but as you all know, we have a lot of stuff. This will just make organizing everything that we own in the bathroom 10 times easier. So if you guys like this part of the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till I die.
Okay, you guys. So it's a couple days later and I have a box next to me, so you already know what that means. It's about to be a haul. I showed you all, sorry, I'm putting socks on. I showed you all in, gosh, I don't even know what video it was, that I was trying to like update the bathroom and like get all these cute little like containers and things to like keep my skincare products, bath products in, and I just really didn't like the way that it looked out on the counter. So we're getting rid of all that. that. I put my stuff back in the drawers. It looks much better, but it's still not 100%. So I'm gonna be switching up the bathroom. So for starters, let's get into this package. The reason I said that is because the stuff in this box is for the bathroom, so let's get into it. Okay, there's a lot of little things, so I'm going to open all these little tiny boxes and show you what we got. Okay, you guys, that took forever to get everything unboxed because there was so much packaging, but anyway, okay, I want to show you what I got for the bathroom. My inspiration was Jaclyn Hill, was and always will be. She did a shower and bathroom tour and like showed all the products that she used, but I was just hypnotized by like the whole bathroom aesthetic. So after seeing that video, I went to Pottery Barn and went crazy with like bathroom little like soap dispensers. So I picked up 2 of these, one for hers, one for his and her sinks. And you don't have to go to Pottery Barn to get these. Like you can literally go to Homegoods. You could literally go to like Tuesday mornings if you have like a Home Sense or At Home near you, even Walmart. Like there's nothing really all that special, but I was just in the zone on Pottery Barn. So I was like, I'm getting these. Actually, you know what? They are pretty heavy though. They feel really good. They feel really like high quality, I guess, as far as like a soap dispenser is concerned. And I feel like it's gonna be a good pump. Like I know that sounds silly, but like, you know, if you have soap dispensers and you can barely pump it, like it's stiff, you only get the littlest bit of soap out, or like if it's too loose and flimsy. Anyway, this is a good one. So looks like this, just glass, really simple. I really want to redo that bathroom. Like I want to, not completely because I love like the marble and the tiling, but I want to do something different with the walls. Like maybe do like a wallpaper, like tile or something. And then I also want to change out the mirror. Right now we just have like this one huge mirror, and I really want to do like maybe 2 big ones or 3. Honestly, I was just really inspired by that video. So now I'm like, what if we did 3 mirrors and like sconces, kind of like how she had? I just love it. I think that was so beautiful. So we might do something like that. And by might, I mean definitely. So we're gonna switch that up, maybe new light fixtures, like the whole thing. So that'll be a separate project. But moving on, I also got these marble canisters. I plan on putting my bath bombs in there. Again, just like the video, I was just really, really inspired. So I have 5 of these down here. Really nice, really heavy duty. In Jaclyn's video, she had hers labeled right here with the different bath bombs, like the scent, like lavender and like eucalyptus or whatever. But I think maybe I'll put like a label either on the inside or at the bottom maybe, not just like right on the front of it. Like I didn't really like that. So probably have a label in here so I can lift it up and see like what it is. And that'll be really cute. So I got 5 of the canisters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got these 2 toothbrushes. Oh my God, it almost broke. These 2 toothbrush holders. You guys, it's pretty much, it's just the same line. Like I looked it up on Pottery Barn and I just bought like everything in that bathroom line. So it looks like this, really, really cute. I'm kind of leaning towards taking the gold out of the bathroom because it doesn't really make sense because everything is marble and silver, and just play off of the marble and silver and have it just very like glam, but also just like relaxing and clean and fresh. So we're just gonna stick with the white and the silver, keep it very, you know, neutral, clean, fresh looking in there, very spa-like, and get rid of the gold. So the hardware we're gonna change and the light fixtures, because those are the only 2 things that have gold. It just doesn't make sense. It's gonna feel a lot more calmer without the gold in there. Keep it clean, keep it fresh. That's what I'm about. So yeah, toothpaste holders, really cute. Everything is like the same. So that was short. That was probably the shortest little unboxing ever on my channel. So let's continue on with the vlog. You guys, I am beyond excited right now. We have can you guess what it is? Just by looking down here. It's a wine fridge. I'm so excited. Rob's gonna set it up. It finally came in. I feel like this took a long time. So it's gonna go in the butler's pantry. We're really working on the butler's pantry in today's video. So let's do it. You up for it?
I'm up for it. Let's go.
Come on, wine fridge. Let's go.
Put it over there and take out the box.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't have to do any like work, really.
Not really. It was the hard part was taking out the
Not the
car.
shoes.
Sorry.
It's okay. No. Yes.
All right.
This might be too big. What? I don't know. I mean, let's try. It said 24.
It might be fine, but I don't know. This box is really heavy.
Maybe it's just the box. Like, maybe the box is this big. How did you even get this in here?
Muscles, baby, muscles.
Actually, I think this will fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I don't even remember measuring at this point.
Oh wow, you just kind of.
I don't remember. I ordered this so long ago. I don't remember.
We measured for this.
Did we? I don't.
Yeah.
Well, anyway. So I guess a little update. This is what the hardware looks like all put together. I think it looks great. I just have to order the tile. I need to do that tonight, actually. And then Tony can put it in. Still waiting on them to paint the inside of this and add the glass and the other door over there, really. So, and the fingerprints begin. No, I'm talking about Briella. Yeah.
Security system.
Ooh.
Let's open it up. Can we open it up?
We gotta push it in first and then we can open it. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Archie. Wow, this looks really good. So we're looking up online like the best wine fridges, the best wine refrigerators. And it said you had to have a dual temperature fridge for like your different wines. Y'all, I don't know. Honestly, it's probably gonna stay looking like this for a while, but that's okay.
It's all right. We're all good.
It's okay, yeah. So I will have this linked down below. Oh, it can't shut. Oh, probably because that plastic is on it. Like there's something there.
I don't think this is supposed to be.
Oh dear. Okay, you guys, Mr. RH himself has just left the building and left us with the most beautiful piece. If you are ready to see the newest addition to our dining room, let's give it a countdown in RG. Come on, they want to see. Watch out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, let's give it a countdown in 3, 2, 1. RG. Okay, wait, let me go to the other side. Okay, you guys, this is the mirror. I'm obsessed. Hey, Brie. It's huge. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's so big. It's so large. This is what I was talking about in my previous videos when I said we picked out a mirror, obviously. Watch out, Brie. This is making me nervous. Hold on, baby. Okay, so we are gonna have this professionally hung up because as much as Rob does like handy stuff around here, this mirror is just really, really heavy. So we're gonna have it hung up here. Let me see if I can zoom out. So basically we're gonna have it going this way. RG's just really, they just left, so he's just still so excited. Okay, so he's like my little social butterfly. Anytime anyone comes over or he's out somewhere, he gets really, really excited. So anyway, this is gonna be hung up here, going this way, and I think it's gonna look really, really nice. They kind of were holding it up a little bit so I could sort of visualize it, but this is what it's going to look like. This is just gonna be up in the middle, so we'll have a mirror here. There's a whole bunch of boxes. Get ready for a haul in a couple of videos, but this is what the mirror looks like. Let me get a close-up to show you. So this is what it looks like. It has like the beaded edges. I know you've seen mirrors like this before. I have a mirror just like this up in my glam room. You can get mirrors like this at Homegoods all the time, but this specific size was just gonna fit the best, and they had it online, and I was like, I'm just gonna get this one. But this style is pretty popular. I've seen this a lot. I mean, I already own one, so oh my gosh, they're so loud. So anyway, we just have it down here on this towel for now so it doesn't scratch up the floor, and we're gonna have it hung very, very soon because like you saw, the babies are coming out and we don't want no mishaps, so we're gonna take care of that ASAP.